The existing Milton-Madison Bridge was functionally and structurally obsolete, and owners' Kentucky Transportation Cabinet and Indiana Department of Transportation required a replacement. Buckland and Taylor provided a cost-effective solution that required only a few weeks of traffic interruption as opposed to the predicted 365 days and culminated in the world's longest lateral bridge slide.
Buckland Taylor a conçu une solution économique qui n'a nécessité que quelques semaines d'interruption de la circulation par opposition aux 365 jours projetés, avec le plus important déplacement latéral d'un pont au monde.
This approach reduced the impact to the local economy and traveling public, cut costs, and resulted in a wider, safer crossing. Jurors found it remarkable that the engineers came up with an alternative design that didn't require the bridge linking Kentucky and Indiana to close. The project, which involved sliding the new bridge onto existing piers, was deemed very innovative, creative, and courageous.